Hi everybody. My name is Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting, diarrhea, and peeing sound effect from Gassy Celia. It's from a video called Gassy Gym Class / Batch of Fart Poop and Pee. Don't watch if you don't like. It was uploaded on 5 months ago on May 7th. The sound length from this video is 0:18 to 1:17. The low theme music will be removed at the beginning and end. Ugh. I need to test Gassy Celia's farting, diarrhea, and peeing sound effect. On. I feel so much better. I really had to get it all out. It feels so good, baby. This sound is only used when I fart, have explosive diarrhea, and pee in the toilet. Make sure you use this sound effect for your bathroom break videos, okay?